Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our podcast, English Talk. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Hi, everyone. This is Tom speaking. Thank you for spending your time with us again.
Whether you are listening in the morning, in the evening, or while working, we truly appreciate you.
Yes, we really do. Your support means a lot to us.
Today's topic is very important. It is called Don't Give Up on English.
If you are learning English right now, this episode is especially for you.
Maybe you feel tired sometimes. Maybe you feel slow.
Maybe you compare yourself to others and feel like you're not good enough.
But let us tell you something clearly. You are not alone.
Every English learner feels this way at some point. It's normal.
Learning English is not always easy. It takes time.
It takes patience and it takes practice.
Sometimes you study grammar and still make mistakes.
Sometimes you understand reading but cannot speak fluently.
Sometimes you forget vocabulary that you just learned yesterday.
And that can feel frustrating.
Many learners stop because they don't see fast results.
They think progress should be quick, but language learning is a long journey.
Some people feel shy when speaking. They are afraid of making mistakes.
Some people worry about their accent. They think it's not perfect.
But perfection is not the goal. Communication is the goal.
Exactly. If people understand you, you are already succeeding.
Let's think about this. Can you understand more English now than last year?
Can you say more sentences than before?
If the answer is yes, then you are improving.
Progress doesn't have to be big. It just needs to continue.
Even one new word a day is 365 words in a year.
That's powerful when you think about it.
If you feel tired, take a short break, but don't quit completely.
Resting is okay. Giving up is different.
Your future self will thank you for continuing.
And remember, every expert was once a beginner.
Some people say, I'm not good at languages.
But English is not about talent. It's about habit.
If you practice daily, even for 15 minutes,
You build momentum, and momentum builds confidence.
you don't need perfect grammar to start speaking.
You don't need a perfect accent to be understood.
You need courage.
And you need consistency.
English connects you to the world. It opens new opportunities.
It helps you travel, study, and grow professionally.
It allows you to access more knowledge.
And it builds your confidence.
If you are struggling right now, please keep going.
Don't let one bad day define your journey.
Every small effort matters.
And every day you continue is a victory.
In the next part, we will talk about real problems learners face.
And we'll share practical solutions you can use immediately.
Stay with us.
And remember, don't give up on English.
In this part, we're going deeper.
Yes. Now we want to talk about real struggles, the ones that make people want to quit.
Many learners tell us something very common. They say, I understand English, but I can't speak.
That's extremely normal. Listening develops faster than speaking.
Your brain may understand words, but your mouth needs practice to respond quickly.
Speaking is a physical skill. It requires repetition.
So, what should learners do? They need to speak more, even alone.
Yes, talk to yourself in English. Describe your day.
Repeat sentences from podcasts. Shadow the speaker.
Don't wait until you feel ready. Readiness comes from practice.
Another big problem is fear. Fear of making mistakes.
Some learners stay silent because they don't want to sound wrong.
But mistakes are teachers. They show you what to improve.
Think about babies learning to speak. They make many mistakes.
Yet nobody tells them to quit. They just keep trying.
Language learning works the same way. Mistakes are part of growth.
Some learners feel like progress is too slow. They study for months but don't feel fluent.
Fluency doesn't happen overnight. It builds quietly in the background.
Sometimes improvement is invisible at first, but it's still happening.
One way to notice progress is to record yourself speaking.
Then listen again after 3 months. You will hear the difference.
Small improvements add up. Consistency matters more than speed.
Some learners focus only on grammar. They study rules every day.
Grammar is important, but it's not everything.
If you only study rules and never speak,
You'll feel nervous in real conversations.
balance is important. Learn grammar, but use it.
Turn grammar into sentences. Turn sentences into conversations.
Motivation goes up and down. That's normal.
No one feels inspired every single day.
On low energy days, just do something small.
Listen to 5 minutes of English. Learn one phrase.
Momentum keeps the habit alive.
And habits are stronger than motivation.
Instead of saying, English is too hard,
Try saying, English is challenging, but I can improve.
your words shape your mindset.
And your mindset shapes your effort.
If you faced these problems, you are completely normal.
You are not bad at English. You are just in the learning process.
Every learner struggles.
The difference is who continues.
In the next part, we'll talk about real-life speaking situations.
And how to handle them confidently.
Stay with us. Now, we are going to talk about real-life situations.
Yes, this is where many learners feel nervous. Real conversations can feel scary at first.
Let's start with something simple. Introducing yourself.
It sounds easy, but many learners feel pressure.
Your mind suddenly becomes blank. You forget basic words.
That happens because of stress, not because you don't know English.
The solution is preparation. Practice a short self-introduction.
Keep it simple and natural. Name, country, job, hobbies.
Repeat it many times at home. Say it out loud.
When the real moment comes, you will feel more relaxed.
Another common situation is ordering food or drinks.
This is practical English, and it's very useful.
You don't need long sentences. Just be clear and polite.
For example, I'd like a coffee, please.
If you don't understand the reply, it's okay to ask again.
You can say, sorry, could you repeat that?
Confidence grows when you actually use the language.
Every small interaction builds experience.
Small talk is another challenge. Short conversations with strangers.
Topics are usually simple. Weather, work, hobbies, news.
You don't need deep vocabulary. You just need interest.
Ask simple questions. Listen carefully.
For example, how was your weekend?
Or, what do you like to do in your free time?
Conversation is like a game of tennis. One speaks, the other responds.
Keep it moving. Don't overthink every sentence.
Let's talk about something uncomfortable, making mistakes in front of others.
It can feel embarrassing, especially if people laugh.
But remember something important. Most people are not judging you.
Many people respect someone who tries to speak another language.
If someone corrects you, thank them.
Corrections are helpful. They make you stronger.
Using English at work can feel more serious.
Yes, because you want to sound professional.
Preparation is your best friend. Think about common phrases in your job.
Learn useful expressions related to your field.
Practice explaining your tasks.
Practice asking questions clearly.
Professional English improves with real usage.
Confidence doesn't appear suddenly. It grows through action.
Every conversation makes the next one easier.
The first time feels hard.
The 10th time feels normal.
The 100th time feels natural.
That's the power of repetition.
Many learners wait until their English is perfect.
but perfect never comes.
Fluent speakers still make mistakes.
The difference is they keep speaking anyway.
Action creates improvement.
Silence creates fear,
If you feel nervous speaking English, that means you care.
and caring is a good sign.
Don't let fear stop you.
Let it push you forward instead.
In the next part, we will talk about daily habits.
Simple routines that help you improve faster.
And remember, don't give up on English.
Now we are going to talk about daily habits.
Yes, habits are powerful. They shape your progress every single day.
Many learners think they need 2 or 3 hours a day.
But that's not realistic for most people.
15 to 20 minutes daily is already effective.
The key is regular practice, not long sessions once a week.
Small effort every day is stronger than big effort once a month.
Consistency builds memory, and memory builds fluency.
Listening is one of the easiest habits. You can do it anywhere.
While walking, cooking, or driving.
Choose simple podcasts. Listen to them repeatedly.
Repetition trains your ears. It helps you recognize natural speech.
At first, you may not understand everything.
That's okay. Understanding improves over time.
Many learners say they don't have speaking partners.
But you can practice alone.
Describe what you are doing. Talk about your day.
Explain your plans for tomorrow.
Speak in full sentences.
Don't just think silently.
When you speak out loud, your brain works differently. Reading silently is helpful.
But reading out loud is even better.
It improves pronunciation,
It improves rhythm.
and it increases confidence.
Choose short articles.
Read them slowly and clearly.
Focus on clarity, not speed.
Instead of memorizing random words, learn useful phrases.
For example, I'm looking forward to it.
Or, that makes sense.
Phrases help you sound natural.
They are easier to remember because they are complete ideas. Once a week, review what you learned.
Look at your notes.
Repeat key sentences. Reflection strengthens memory.
It also shows you how much you've improved.
Progress is not always fast.
Some days feel easy.
Some days feel difficult.
Don't judge yourself too harshly.
Learning a language is a long-term journey.
You are building a skill that will last a lifetime.
That takes time,
Motivation comes and goes.
but discipline stays.
Even when you don't feel excited, show up anyway.
Do a small task.
Keep the habit alive.
The days you don't feel like studying are the most important days.
Because that's when real growth happens.
You don't need to be perfect.
You just need to continue.
Every day you practice is proof that you care.
And caring leads to improvement.
In the final part, we will share our last message for you.
And will give you encouragement to keep going strong.
Welcome to the final part of today's episode. We're really proud of you for staying with us until the end.
Yes, if you're still listening, that already shows commitment.
Learning English is not just about language, it's about growth.
It's about becoming braver. It's about challenging yourself.
Every time you speak, even if it's not perfect,
You are stepping outside your comfort zone.
and that is something to respect.
Absolutely. Courage matters more than perfection.
Whenever you feel tired, remember why you started.
Maybe you want a better job.
Maybe you want to travel confidently.
Maybe you simply want to understand the world better.
Your reason is powerful. Don't forget it. Sometimes you feel like nothing is changing.
But growth is happening quietly.
Think about a plant. You don't see it growing every minute.
But after months, it looks completely different.
Your English is the same.
Keep watering it with practice.
Instead of saying, my English is bad,
Try saying, my English is improving.
words are powerful.
The way you speak to yourself affects your confidence.
Be kind to yourself.
Encourage yourself.
We truly believe in you.
You are capable of learning English,
You are capable of speaking confidently.
and you are capable of reaching your goals.
If this podcast helps you, please support our channel.
Subscribe to Podcast English Talk,
When you subscribe, you help us continue creating lessons.
and you won't miss future episodes.
Share this episode with friends who are learning English.
Let's grow together as a community.
No matter how slow your progress feels, don't stop.
No matter how many mistakes you make, keep speaking.
No matter how nervous you feel, keep trying.
Every effort counts.
Every word you learn matters.
Every sentence you speak builds strength.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We truly appreciate your time and support.
Keep practicing.
Keep believing.
And most importantly,
Don't give up on English.
we'll see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone. Take care and keep learning.